yeah, I would suggest to all my friends and roommates to sort it precisely.
In the last 10 years, consumption has risen by 11% in Denmark. Over the same time, recycling has also gone up by 45%. Aarhus has recently implemented a new waste sorting system. The system makes recycling easier, but it also requires more space and time, things students often have little of.
If you are sharing a place with another one, when you are like 4 or 5 people, it's gonna be managing to throw away the garbage. It's gonna be somehow difficult because sometimes like one garbage bin, it's gonna be full, and then you have to like take it out, or you have to like tell it to your roommate or for a flatmate that you are living with together with him. You have to like tell it sometimes during a week, or you have to like take it out for yourself. That's why like somehow it's gonna be not exhausting, but difficult to manage to throw away the garbage. So it depends on what would you do after recycling. If you want to use it again, for example, like use again the papers or the plastic, if you want to melt it and then recycle it again, it's better to like separate it. The place that you are living, they provide us an instruction to where the products, where the materials should go. It's more environmental friendly to separate those and then reuse it again as like other products. Like cans, you can use cans, you can use papers, and then plastics, and then also you can use like organic and then convert it to the like biofuels. In Denmark, you need to first rinse it and then clean it into the bucket and then throw it away into the plastic bags.
Paper, glass, metal and plastics are the biggest categories in terms of recycling.
I find it a bit annoying, to be honest. I mean, I understand why it's been implemented, but I don't really have a lot of room in my apartment for all the different bins and stuff like that. But I try my best, but like it's a bit of a hassle to like change like your setup at home. But I mean, I guess it's worth it. So.
Do you think a lot of other students have similar problems when it comes to this?
I mean, I've heard from a lot of people that they find it extremely annoying, so I would think so, yeah. It's positive if it's better for the environment. I mean, like, the hassle I have from, trying to rearrange my apartment and stuff like that, it's not too much. I mean, I can survive that. So, yeah, to me, I guess I think it's worth it.
When it comes to cardboard and plastic, I think it struggles a little bit. So at my place, when it's hard plastic and cardboard, I sort it and I place it by the door so I can just grab it when I go. But like soft plastic, I toss out with general waste because of space.
How do you feel about sorting the waste in your apartment?
I think it's a given.
Kretslop are in charge of implementing the new system.
Of course, when it's a new system, there's some old habits that needs to be changed, and we're all people have habits, and sometimes that can be difficult. So of course, there's a period where we have to change those habits and get used to sorting the waste in a new way. So at the beginning of this new waste sorting system, that was probably the biggest challenge to tell people that they had to do things a bit differently now compared to before. My experience is that most people want to sort their waste in the correct way. Some people don't want to do it, but most of the people want to sort their waste the correct type of way. And everyone tries to do it as best as they can. Of course, there's going to be mistakes made, but that's okay. It doesn't destroy the whole waste sorting system that mistakes are being made. But it's my experience that most people want to do it the correct way and tries to do it the correct way. the law states that we have to recycle the waste at the source, and people in Aarhus are the source of the waste. So we cannot collect waste that is unsorted and then sorted somewhere else. By law, we have to collect sorted waste. We have to collect the different fractions of waste separately.
Do you think it's tedious to sort it yourself?
I would say it's gonna be more organized. It's not boring, not how can I say, not difficult also. It's just like a regular or like some principle that you have to do with that.
The better that we can sort the waste at the start of the cycle, the easier it is to recycle it later.